Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to add chat in OBS Studio. This tutorial is for Twitch or YouTube. Before I start, I would really appreciate if you leave like and subscribe. Thank you. Well, the first step would be to go to Google and search for streamoments.com, log in. And here choose the platform you want. In my case, I will use Twitch, but you can use YouTube as well. Let's go to Streaming Tools. Overlays. New overlay. Here we leave in 1080p and click here. Stream Tools. Your stream's chat. Here we will have the chat to be able to configure it, but I recommend you to set my settings. Here you can leave it on dark chat. Here you leave this in 2 seconds. Click here. In width, put 541. In height, you will set it to 598. Now go to text settings. Activate this. And here you can choose the font you want. In my case, I will choose Impact. Here you can choose the color of the text. In size, you will set between 25 and 30. Save. Okay, now click here to copy the link. Let's go to OBS, click here. Browser. Here in URL, we will paste the one we just copied, and here below we will put 1920 x 1080. Okay, now click on Settings, Stream. Service, choose the one you want. In my case, I'm using Twitch, but you can also select YouTube, and here you connect your account, or you can put your stream key. Now, if you go to Twitch and type something in the chat, you will see that it would have been applied correctly. But in case we want the background to be transparent, we will do the following. Go to Settings, and in Theme, select Custom. Save. And if we write something, now it will be with transparent background. If you found this guide useful, leave me a like, a subscription, and a comment. Thanks for watching.